Hey guys, it's Beth, and today I have a little bit different kind of video for you. It's a haul. I don't do very many of those, but I kind of splurged on myself. Echo Park had another warehouse box sale at the end of March, and I love Echo Park and Cartabella, so I really couldn't pass this up. And I feel like I have done a really good job on using up my stash this past year. I usually I don't splurge on the Echo Park unless I can find it on a really good deal, because I can't justify paying too much to add too many new things to my stash. But the warehouse box sale is a great deal. I couldn't pass it up. If you've never heard of a warehouse box sale, basically what it is the brands offer you a box full of goodness and at a set price. So for Echo Park, it was $50 for the box plus shipping was extra. So I think in total mine came to be about $63. And they said each box contains at least $200 worth of items. Everybody gets a little bit different mix. Some things the same, some things different depending on what they have. But each person tends to get the same number of types of items. And it's a mix of embellishments, stamps, stencils, and kits, or like the collection kits. So like I said, I couldn't pass it up. And if you don't already follow your favorite brands on social media, please do so, because that is where they notify you of sales like this. So to start off, I got 2 rolls of washi tape. And this one, it's called Silhouette, and it's just got these darker pink girls on this light pink background. And then I got some tape, some striped tape from Deck the Halls line. And it's just Christmas colors. And then I did get the box from their sale last June. I think it was June, July. And I did get a couple of repeats from them, but they are things that are like easily usable. So like for example, these bows are decorative bows from the Hello Fall line. I did get these last time, but I love them. I love the patterns, so I will find a way to use those. And then also these, the Celebrate Easter, those are a duplicate. But again, it's things that are easily consumable. But I did get one other set of bows here, and it is from the Rockabye Baby line. And I got some other embellishments from this line last time, so at least now I can kind of put them all together for some fun baby girl projects. And then I love the Cabin Fever line, and I did get a few embellishment sets in the last box. I got like the decorative brads and rub-ons, I think. So this time I got another set of the bows. And these are just the adhesive enamel shapes. And then this is from Cartabella's A Very Merry Christmas, and they are decorative rub-ons. And I love the vintage images. Like I love vintage Christmas. And then I got some paper fans. These are Summer Dreams. And then I also got, where did it go? Wedding Bliss. And I think I got some punch outs from this line in the last box, so at least I can put these with the punch outs. Pretty colors. And then I got a couple things from the Good Day Sunshine line. I got these decorative brads that also has some chipboard pieces down here at the bottom. And then the adhesive chipboard phrases. So some fun summer stuff there. I got 2 stamps. They are both background stamps. This one is from the Our Family line, and it's just like this floral. It's called Family Floral stamp. And then I got this Fancy Damask stamp. So I don't have a lot of background stamps, so add to my stash with that. I got these layered stickers from the Once Upon a Time line. And then I got 2 stencils. One are these ice creams, which will go well with the summer embellishments they got. And then this one is called Navigational Star stencil set. So that would probably go with some of the Christmas ones. I got 2 paper pads. One is 6x6 and it is Country Kitchen. And it's just got a bunch of vintage farm and kitchen patterns in here. Which again, I love the vintage. And then I got the Spring Dots and Stripes 8x8 pad. So some pretty bright springy colors in there. And then I got a handful of kind of miscellaneous embellishment sheets. This one is a like punch out, and I don't know, it doesn't have the line name on it, but it's kind of like girly travel. So I don't know, I want to say, was there one called Uptown Girl? I don't know, but it's got some travel, like shopping, beauty kind of things in it. And then I got, this is from the Our Family line, and I actually got this collection kit in my box last summer, and I'm so glad I did, because at Christmas time I had someone who ordered 10 family scrapbooks, and she wanted to be able to put family reunion pictures in them and then gift them at Christmas. And she had given me the colors that she wanted in it, and when I was looking through my stash, like, this kit was perfect. Like, it had every color that she wanted in there, and she wanted some floral, but not to be too girly. So between the floral and the plaid, it was perfect. So I ended up having to buy another kit, and I think I got it off of scrapbook.com. But I ended up having to buy another kit just so I could have enough papers to cover 10 6x6 scrapbooks. So I have some of the paper left, and then some of the cut apart. So between what I have left and this, we'll definitely make some fun cards. And I thought about like making this my next, after the school pad, doing this next, because I could do some Mother's Day, Father's Day kind of cards out of here. So that might be my next Kilopad project, is that line. And then these look like they are from the Country Kitchen line. So I can use these with this pad and make some fun projects. But it's just another punch out sheet. And then I got some cut apart journaling cards. These are 4x6. And it just says like totally teal. So I don't know if they had a, and it looks like beachy. So maybe they had a like seaside collection. And then the back, it just has some cute teal and white polka dot pattern. And then I got the smaller journal cards, 3x4 from the Sisters line. This will be perfect for my daughters, and I like those colors. And then I also got the Brothers version of that, and so it's just boy colors and patterns, stars on the back. And then I got a handful of collection kits. Sorry for that glare, but this one is Cardabella's Christmas Delivery. And so it has, like, the collection kit has all these papers, plus the cut aparts, and then some stickers, embellishments. So I love those patterns. I don't know, I don't know what it is about vintage Christmas for me. But look at this plaid delivery tuck, how cute. And then this one's actually got some alphas, stickers. Oh, I wish I had time to use it right now. This is actually another duplicate from the one I got this past summer, but I'm perfectly good with that because we are hoping to take the girls to Disney in the next few years. And so now I have enough to cover 3 albums essentially between my 2 girls and myself to make us all a Disney scrapbook. And at Tuesday morning, the last time I went, like sometime around Christmas, I actually found the Magic and Wonder embellishment pack. So now I have like the embellishments that go with this too. So super excited about that one. But again, the cut aparts and all the papers. And then this is the sticker sheet on the back. And this one is like beautiful vintage travel paper. It's called Old World Travel, and it's by Karina Gardner. And this one would make a great travel scrapbook or travel journal. Love that. Some great stickers on the back too. And this one is so cute. Dino Friends. Look at those cute little dinosaurs and the little caveman. I see fun projects with this one. And the papers and some of the embellishments. Let the world hear you roar. You are totally roarsome. Sorry, getting a little excited. Love it. And then I got, these aren't like the full collections, these are just the paper kits. So this one is Dots and Stripes, the Valentine's collection kit. So it's got all these patterns between the polka dots and the stripes. And then I got one of their foil packs. And so this one is the silver foil stripes. So beautiful silver and pastels and like this teal. Love that. And then there's some solid color pieces to go with that. So this was my splurge. And like I said, I don't do this often. You won't see many hauls on my videos because I truly believe my focus is to help everybody use up their stash. But I want you to be able to use up your stash so that you can take advantage and, you know, add new things to your stash every once in a while. So just wanted to share this with you. And again, if you follow your brands, your favorite brands on social media, they will alert you of these sales. I know I've seen Simple Stories. I think it's had one before, and I'm waiting for their next one because I love Simple Stories. I think even Spellbinders has done one before. I think I saw a video that somebody had Spellbinders. So that's my haul, that's my splurge. If you started watching this because you were looking for ideas to use up your stash, I'm sorry, but if you stay tuned for later this week, you will see how to use up your stash on some cards. I will be back to my normal programming after this video, but thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.